going to show you 10 secret foods your body needs daily that most people ignore completely. Stay with me till the end because number 10 might surprise you the most, and honestly, many people already have it in their homes, but they never use it right. You're watching Global Nurse Grace, so where real nursing meets real life. Let's get into it. The first power food, eggs. This one is a brain and body builder. Eggs are one of the most complete proteins on earth. They contain choline, which supports brain memory and focus. They help repair body tissues and keep you full longer. Let me be honest with you. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin wrapped in a shell. So if your brain had a fuel upgrade, this is it though. The next food we are looking at is bitter leaf, and this one is a quiet blood cleanser. This is because it supports healthy blood sugar balance. It helps digestion and gut cleansing. Traditionally, it is used for detox support. I know, yes I know, the test is not date night friendly, but your body doesn't care about the test though, it cares about the results. The next power food that we are looking at is garlic. And this one is a tiny immune warrior. This is because garlic supports immune system strength. It helps reduce inflammation in the body. It supports heart and blood pressure health. Think of garlic as that small security guard that refuses to sleep on duty. And one clove a day can actually do more than people realize. The next power food that we are looking at is groundnuts or peanuts, and this one is the energy that lasts. They are rich in healthy fats and protein. They help keep your energy stable throughout the day. They support brain and nerve health. This is not just a snack. This is I won't collapse by 3 p.m. feel. Now the next power food that we are looking at is unripe banana. This is because unripe banana is high in resistant starch for gut health. It helps regulate bowel movement. It supports steady blood sugar levels. So if your stomach could talk, it will probably whisper, please give me this one daily. Now the next power food that we are looking at is leafy greens. Think about ugu, spinach, and leafy greens are also known as the blood builder, so because they are rich in iron and folate. They support healthy blood formation. They boost energy and reduce fatigue. This is not rabbit food at all. This is human fuel, especially for people who feel tired often. Now the seventh food that we are looking at is turmeric, and this one is a golden anti-inflammatory food because they help to reduce inflammation in the body. They support joint and muscle health. They are antioxidant rich for overall protection. So if your body had internal fire, turmeric is like the fire extinguisher. As simple as ABC, powerful and underused. Now the eighth power food is fish, especially sardines and mackerel. They are high in omega-3 fatty acid. They support your brain, heart and eye health. They help reduce inflammation naturally. This is one of those foods that make your body say, finally, something I can work with. Now the ninth power food that we are looking at is carrots. This one is very good for your eye and your skin support. They are rich in vitamin A for vision health. They support glowing skin. They help immune function. So if glowing skin had a budget-friendly secret, carrots would be on the list every time. The 10th powerful food that we are looking at is water. Yes. Now food but listen very well. Water actually flushes toxins out of the body. They support digestion and energy levels. They keep every organ functioning properly. Let's be honest, some people are treating water like an optional guest instead of a daily necessity. Remember, your body is about 60% water, so dehydration is slow confusion for your system. Now listen to me carefully, my health heroes. You don't need all the 10 imperfection every single day, but if you start rotating these into your meals, your body will notice the difference quietly but powerfully. This is because you have more energy, better digestion, clear mind, and less why am I tired moments. If you enjoyed this video, don't just disappear quietly like a silent patient in a hospital. Subscribe to Global Nurse Grace. Like this video so YouTube knows you want more health truths. And comment, I'm upgrading my health, so I know you're part of this journey now. And hey, share this with someone who always says, I don't know why I'm always tired. And before you go, thank you for spending this time with me, like a real health conversation between friends, not just a video. So stay healthy, stay away, and remember, this is where real nursing actually meets real life. Bye for now. See you in the next video.